Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to link your PAN card to Aadhar card. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to link your PAN card to Aadhar card, first of all you have to do just open your Google Chrome browser, then type here income tax and hit enter. Just select this website, income tax department. Just click on that, click on e-filing. Here you can see link Aadhar. Before linking Aadhar, you need to check your link Aadhar status. Just click on this link Aadhar status. Here you need to enter your PAN card number and your Aadhar card number. If it is already linked, it will show here it is already linked. If it is not linked, then go back, just click on link Aadhar, enter PAN number, and enter Aadhar number. Enter Aadhar number, and click on validate. You can see it is already linked. Just close this. I will type another PAN card number. And type Aadhar number, just click on continue and click on continue to pay through e-pay tax. Just type the PAN number, type the mobile number, here again you have to type the PAN number, and click on continue, and enter the OTP. And click on continue, and click on continue. Confirm the name of your PAN card, click on continue, select the payment. You can see here income tax. You need to select this option, just click on proceed. Select the assessment year 23 2023 to 24. Just click on this, select type of the payment, click on other recipients, and click on continue, and scroll down a little bit. You can see here 1000 rupees. You need to pay 1000 rupees to link your PAN card to Aadhar. Just click on continue, here you can pay through the net banking from these banks: Axis Bank, Canara Bank, ICICI, Kotak Mahindra, Punjab National, and other banks. If you doesn't have these banks, just click on other banks and select your payment method. Just select the bank, whatever bank you have, and do the payment from the net banking. If you doesn't use payment through the net banking, just select debit card and select your bank and just click on continue. That's it guys. So in this way you can link PAN card to Aadhar card. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.